Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a delicious and vibrant lemon chicken and orzo casserole that will make your taste buds dance. Picture this. It's a cozy evening, you're craving something hearty but with a zing, and bam! This dish swoops in to save the day. Let's get started. First things first, we need to marinate our chicken. Grab 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and let's give them some love. In a big bowl, squeeze the juice of 2 lemons, and while you're at it, zest one of those lemons. It's like giving the lemon a little haircut. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon each of cumin, smoked paprika and oregano, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh, and don't forget half a teaspoon of black pepper and a generous 1/4 cup of olive oil. Mix it all up like it's a dance party for your ingredients. Now pop those chicken breasts into the bowl. Make sure they're all coated nicely. Cover it up and toss it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. If you have the patience of a saint, leave it for up to 2 hours. More time means more flavor. While our chicken is soaking up all that goodness, let's preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We want it hot and ready to go. Next, let's prep the base of our casserole. Grab a large oven-safe skillet or a casserole dish, something that can handle all the deliciousness we're about to throw at it. Into your dish, add 1½ cups of uncooked orzo. This little pasta is like rice's cool cousin who went to Italy for a semester abroad. To the orzo, add 1 large, finely chopped onion and 2 diced bell peppers. Any color will do, but hey, why not make it a rainbow? Then toss in 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Pour in 3 cups of chicken broth. If you're feeling fancy, add half a cup of dry white wine. Totally optional, but hey, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? Now for the herbaceous and spicy kick. Add a 1/4 cup each of fresh chopped cilantro and parsley. They bring this freshness that's just chef's kiss. Then stir in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon each of ground cumin and smoked paprika, and of course some salt and pepper to taste. Give it all a good stir. You want every piece of that orzo to get cozy with the flavors. Time to bring back our chicken. Take the marinated breasts out of the fridge, shake off any excess marinade, we don't need a puddle here, and lay them on top of the orzo mixture. They're the stars of the show. Cover the whole dish tightly with aluminum foil. This helps trap the steam and cook everything evenly. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes. After the timer goes off, remove the foil and check the orzo. Is it tender but not mushy? Perfect! If it's not quite there yet, add a splash more broth or water if needed. Then let it bake uncovered for another 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the orzo is just right. Oh, and here's a little secret trick. For the last 5 minutes, set your oven to broil. This will give your chicken that beautiful golden color. Trust me, it's worth it. Once done, take the casserole out of the oven and let it rest for a few minutes. This lets all those flavors settle in nicely. Before serving, sprinkle some extra fresh cilantro and parsley on top, because why not add a bit more green magic? And there you have it, our lemon chicken and orzo casserole. A zesty, savory, and oh so satisfying meal that's sure to impress. If you want the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Happy cooking, and remember, in the kitchen we make messes and magic. Bon appetit!